Hello friends, and welcome back to the homestead. So today is Thursday and we have our first snowstorm of the year, and actually the first snowstorm that we have had here in Kentucky. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's starting to come down pretty hard right now, and I'll be bringing you guys along throughout the day as we continue to get it. They're saying 4 to 7 inches throughout the day. So I'm excited. Got a snowball? Who should I get? Alright friends, so in the matter of 3 hours of snow, we have already gotten 6 inches of snow, and it's still supposed to keep coming until 9 o'clock tonight. So I need to head over to the barn and go ahead and feed the pigs, get everybody and the chickens all locked up for the night, and so that way they're safe and nice and warm. So I'm gonna take you along while I go ahead and do that. This is definitely very beautiful. This is my first snow that I've actually ever been in. As a kid, we'd go up to the snow, but never actually be in the snow while it's snowing. This is amazing. Hey pigs, what do you guys think? Now to collect some eggs. Let's see what the ladies left us. One, two, three, four, and five. Alright, so we got 5 eggs, which isn't too bad. It's cold. But I have one more nest box that I need to check and see if we have any eggs in that one. Yep, we have some eggs over here. All right, 2 more eggs for a total of 7, which is about average what we have been getting. We've been getting at least 5 to 7 eggs a day. Yesterday we got 11 eggs, which was awesome. But so 7 for today, which isn't bad. I'm gonna get those in my pocket. And then I'm gonna get this all closed up for the ladies. Well, it's still my sapphires that don't want to come in yet. So I'm gonna give them probably another 30 minutes or so, and hopefully they'll go ahead and put themselves to bed. So I'll have to come back out to close this door before it gets dark. All right, friends, thanks for coming along on our very first snow day here in Kentucky and our very first snow ever being in. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making this video and just sharing with you the fun that we had on the homestead today. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.